Saudi Arabia, many undocumented Filipinos are getting restless as the kingdom's crackdown on illegal aliens nears. Here's the full story.
It is a difficult time for undocumented Filipinos in Saudi Arabia. In 24 hours, the deadline for illegal workers to legalize their stay expires. Saudi authorities will then begin its crackdown.
Mas mabuti na yung magka-crackdown na kasi pagka nagkaroon pa ng extension, masalo kami mahihirapan dito.
The undocumented OFWs are staying in so-called tent cities. They face arrest, fines and deportation when the Saudization is enforced.
May mga anak, tapos yung mga buntis. Taghirap na kami dito sa tubig, lahat. Hindi na namin alam kung magkaka-extension pa, yun.
Hindi namin alam kung makukulong kami o saan kami dadalhin. Sana makauwi na.
The Philippine government says it is ready to assist undocumented Filipinos who want to either fix their status or just come home.
Kapag may hawak na kayo ng travel document at kayo ay nasimulan ng i-proseso, nagkakaunawa ko rin kayong papatuloy yung pagpaproseso sa inyo kahit na matapos na yung deadline.
Saudi's king initially set the Saudization deadline at July 3rd, heeding appeals from foreign governments whose citizens will be affected by the crackdown. The king later granted a 4-month grace period. Reporting for ANC, Frank Resma, Jeddah, Saudi Arabia.